Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by assessing the shrine and immediate power options. This is practical work, not guessing. Identify the outlet, measure cable runs, and choose fixtures rated for the space. String lights for soft fill, spot LEDs for highlights, and waterproof strips if outdoors. Once done, plan load distribution so you avoid tripping circuits. Group low-voltage strips separately from mains-powered flood spots, and make a short list of dimmers or controllers you will need to control brightness and color. Now focus on placement. Mount a warm key light at a gentle 45 degrees to the deity's face to create natural modeling. This explains form and keeps features soft. Add subtle fill lights at lower intensity to avoid deep shadows, and place a backlight or halo strip for separation from the backdrop. Once done, route cables along edges and behind panels with clips. Use low-voltage adapters and inline fuses for safety, and confirm connectors are snug. Loose plugs cause flicker and shorts. Complete the setup by adding a dimmer or smart controller so you can switch scenes for puja, evening ambience, and night safety. Programming saves effort and protects bulbs. Test every circuit for at least 30 minutes while observing heat at fixtures and junctions, and check for any flicker or loose mounts. If something goes wrong, start troubleshooting by swapping the suspect LED or strip, tightening connectors, and rebalancing load across outlets. This fixes most flicker and overload issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.